Hey guys, some of you were getting a little confused and forgot how to find slope from a table, so I wanted to go over two examples with you. So the first example looks like this, where you have a table that you would normally see. So remember, you always want to start with your y column. All right, slope always starts with y. It's always going to be your up or your down, so your rise. Okay, so we're going to look at how you get from 5 to 7. Well, I'm going to count up because 7 is bigger than 5. So in order to get to 7, I have to count up 2. Okay, so now I'm going to look at 7 to 9. Well, I'm also going to add 2. All right, I'm going to keep going down that column. 9 to 11, I add 2. 11 to 13, I add 2 again. And 13 to 15, I add 2 again. Now, you guys should see a pattern, and if you see a pattern, what you're going to do is you're going to take that number and you're going to put it in your numerator, or the top of your fraction. Okay, now you're going to look at your x column and you're going to see how you can get from 0 to 3. Well, from 0 to 3, I add 3. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can add 3 to each of these other numbers in order to get to the next one. So from 3 to 6, I'm also going to add 3, so that works. From 6 to 9, I'm going to add 3 again. From 9 to 12, I'm going to add 3 again. And last but not least, from 12 to 15, I'm also going to add 3. So now that I have a pattern, I'm going to put that 3 on the bottom. Okay, and now you have a fraction. Sometimes you need to simplify, so always double check in your calculator to see if this is the smallest answer that you can get. For this problem, 2 over 3 is as small as you can get. All right, so let's look at example number 2. So this is a little bit different of a setup. It's sideways instead of up and down, but we're still going to always start with our y. All right, so this time we're going to look and we're going to go from -1 to -2. Well, now we have negative numbers. All right, and since we're going more negative, our answer is going to be negative. All right, so from -1 to -2, we subtract 1. From -2 to -3, we subtract 1 again. And then from -3 to -4, we subtract 1 again. Okay, so now we have a pattern. So we're going to take that -1 and we're going to put it on the numerator, or the top of your fraction, just like we did last time. All right, and then we're going to look at our x's. All right, so we're going to start at 0 and we're going to see how many we need to move until we get to 3. Well, from 0 to 3, we just add 3. Okay, I'm going to see if we get that same number the rest of the way down. So from 3 to 6, we also add 3. From 6 to 9, we also add 3 again. So now we have a pattern. We're going to take that 3 and we're going to put it in the denominator. And then your last step will always be to double check to see if you can simplify. Well, -1/3 is as small as you can get, so that's as small as the fraction can reduce to. Hope this helped. Please let me know if you need my help, guys.